Here we are working on Edith again, our 1985 C10. And today I've found the cause of my water coming into the floorboard of the cab. So our cowling here used to have this sealant between the, I guess the firewall and the cab. And then this used to form like a water channel that would run down into, let's see if I can point to it. There's like a drip cowling here that just drains out behind the fender. So what's going on? So obviously this is all rusted out. This caulk or whatever sealant has completely deteriorated, and so when it gets wet, it just gets pinned up against the metal. It's quite nasty. So I'm scraping all this out as best I can. I can't really get a grinding wheel in here, and I don't really care to, because this is just an old work truck, and I'm just trying to do a stopgap here that will probably likely fail, but will be better than probably the way it is now. So what we're going to try is, so I got some, let's see, I got some heavy duty acid cleaner. So I'm going to use this to treat the rust and etch the metal, and then wash that off really good. And I will go over it with maybe a final sandpapering, and then some lacquer or mineral spirits, and then we'll use the POR 15 patch, filler and seam sealer. So this is quite a bit harder. You can apply it over rust, supposedly. The thing about POR 15 is it says you can apply it over rust, but then they want you to buy all of these extra metal prep products, which I've been told that their metal prep is basically just your phosphoric acid watered down, and it might have some sort of zinc coating. I don't know. The people that I've heard have had mixed results. I've heard people that have said POR 15 in general, not the patch, but POR 15 in the can works, with their POR 15 products, and I've heard it work fine without. So we're just going to do this, and instead of, I could just, clean it out the best I can and to just primer spray over it, right? But I need something that'll actually patch some of the gaps, because the firewall has actually opened up a bit. Like this was the worst spot. So like if you're getting your floorboard under your gas pedal rusted out, it's probably because of this one. And this goes straight into, so it's right behind your window wiper motor, and look at all that. It's just totally eaten out. I'm going to use the metal patch, POR 15 patch, to close up that channel. I'm not sure if you can see this, but yeah, that channel. So we'll see how this goes. I have quite a bit of sealant left to pull out, but man, that's really a job. Apparently this is an issue even on newer Chevy trucks. Maybe not necessarily because the sealant fails, but just just the way that the firewall and the cabs are joined together. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll let you guys know.